So guys, I just bought my absolute dream car. As you know, if you have watched my previous videos, guys, I was talking that I'm gonna get a B48, but I watched so many videos, I watched so many people driving B58, and I was like, god damn bro, I have to get a B58 for the sake of God. I don't want to get a 4-cylinder banger, I want to get 6-cylinder turbocharger. It was definitely absolute dream that I had. I was staying at home with my son, watching videos in YouTube, you know, watching F30s, F32s. F32 is actually a great car. I actually wanted to get an F32, but that one came to be better. It's an import from Canada. It's in great condition. I already serviced it. Yeah, I have some shootings recorded, but nothing very interesting. You know, oil, transmission fluids, diff fluids, and whatever else with it. We changed the oil pump and also changed the water pump, just to be sure, because we know some V58s have issues with especially with the oil pump giving up the plastic inside it. So yeah, I just wanted to change it so I'm safe, kind of safe. The only thing that left to be changed is the spark plugs. I've bought them, they're in my trunk, but I still don't have enough time to do it. So let me know in the comments if you want to see a video of me changing the spark plugs. It's relatively easy, so I doubt it somebody's gonna be interested in that. And yeah, the spec is B58 340i. It's an X-Drive. I wanted purposely to be with an X-Drive just because I live on that place here, which is very, you know, mountain type of place. It has some rough terrains, and I live in a place where I need my car to be a bit more lifted up. That's the reason I don't want to make it, you know, lower, just because I won't be able to drive it home. And yeah, the car feels great. It has absolutely nothing in common with previous cars that I've driven. It's very stable, although it's a bit, you know, more lifted. It's insanely stable. As you can see, I live in a place with many corners, and I would say when I'm driving it more aggressively, it actually handles the road like crazy. Although I bought brand new winter tires, which are, I would say, they are softer, so they're not great for fast driving. We will probably wait the summer to get new summer tires and ultimately test the handling of the car, but for now I feel like it's great. I actually really enjoy it. What else can I say about the car? It's a B58 with automatic transmission. What else would you need in that car? It has the MBT Evo navigation, which is doing great. I want to make it Android though to have CarPlay, so if you want to see a video of me flashing it, now I know how to flash it and make an Android. So if you want to see a video, just let me know and I will do it. And yeah, we will be doing some mods to it. Soon we are gonna get a downpipe, because this is a bone stock 340i. It's pretty fast for somebody who is coming from a 320 diesel, but I guess it's not as fast as you guys are used to watching YouTube. And I want to make some mods. I want to get the catless downpipe. I'm probably gonna get the VRSF, and we're gonna buy an MHD tune, and I'm gonna do 24-hour locks and send it to a mapper to adjust it for the car. I will be doing everything, all of that on a video, so you will see what I'm gonna do to it. It handles like perfectly balanced car, I would say. Although I love my E46, I want to admit that the F30, you know, chassis is made pretty decent. I still love my E46. I send it to the mechanic now to service it. It has so many things to be changed, so yeah, at least now I have something to drive off when my car is getting serviced. So yeah, guys, I was talking for like 4 months. 4 months ago I made a video, or 3 months or something. I made a video about me choosing my perfect dream car, and as I said earlier, I was looking at B48, the 4-cylinder 330i, which is 252 horsepower, and I've seen some, but for some reason they are pretty expensive. I mean, 10,000 more you can get a B58, which is definitely the better choice, I would say. And that's what I did. So I kinda lied in my previous video, but the lie was for good, I would say. So yeah, I want to know, guys, if you're gonna be watching videos like this in my channel, so let me know if I should continue. I am currently driving in comfort, so I can let it oh, it started raining, so I can let it cool down, because I drove it like 20-30 minutes on full throttle, and I know it needs to be cooled before giving it gas again. It's absolutely stock coolant system and everything, but we are getting close to home now, so we can give it 2-3 more times gas. So let's see how it handles in Sport Plus. My absolutely favorite thing is the paddle shifters, insanely. I cannot believe how quickly the transmission operates. It changes gears so fast, bro. I'm used to dumping my clutch on my 46, so let's try it in manual mode. I mean in automatic mode, not in manual. But I kinda like more the manual, because I decide when to shift. Bro, it dumps like on third. It's a bit wet outside, so I need to be careful. Look how quickly it accelerates, and we are going uphill. That's insane, bro. And look at the handling, bro. That car is actually, oh my god, I love it. I love it, guys. And people are telling you money cannot buy you happiness. They lie. Yo, what's going on with that rain? It started raining all of a sudden. What the heck? And yeah, that's gonna be it for the video, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and tell me in the comments if I should do more car content videos. You know, I'm a big car, you know, guy. I have an F30 340i now, and E46 320 diesel, which is on 840,000 kilometers, and it still runs like a butter cake, bro. It's insane. I cannot believe it still runs. So yeah, like, subscribe, hype, and comment under the video to tell me if you would like to see more, and I'm gonna see you later. Have a good one. Bye bye.